Rip Curl. Sa US to US brand. Rip Curl. For this one called yellow. Size natin med large. Ganda niyan, Bio. Branded by Rip Curl. For this one called the yellow. Yellow 250, silang 350. Good for sale. Code yellow.
Cash 250, Madam Nika GD.
3 Levi's C. For the Levi's, medium large. Hugo Boss. Ay, ang laki naman ito. Ganda Ang ganda rito. For this one, code natin ay SS. Size natin for this one is large to XL. Code natin ay SS. SS 250 sila 350. Oh, go na! Ano na tayo? Nakikita nyo ba to? DKNY lang yan, be. Wala lang yan. Grabe, oy. Ayun, kinakitang, pero DKNY, dahil. DKNY.